Still Newbury sound. You can see it back there. It's actually pretty good. Paint up top. Bathrooms could have used a cleaning. Everything else is pretty much good. Again, the paint isn't great. See the doors, curtain rod left. Something's happening up there. Nail or something in the wall. See the coloring on the door. Table set. PD is trying to sell that. Screens are in. Property actually looks pretty good. Again, needs to be weeded. She has a couple of plants back here. Just really need to be weeded in this area. Overview of the lawn. A little bit dry. Weeds, definitely. You can see it. You can hear it. And that's the side, satellite dish on the roof, water hose there, another angle. The lawn is dry. Ant mounds, weeds.